Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about email signature for business. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel to let you know what products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money online. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, I wanted to show you an email signature that I've been using for years, and I think it's really important to have an email signature that's professional and also helps you with marketing. So this used to be called eSig, and now it's called SignaSource, and it's very low price. I pay, well, it used to be $9 a month, and I think I have two email signatures, so I pay a little bit more. I pay $13 a month, but it's if you pay by the year, you get 3 months free. It's $81 a year or $9 a month, which is really, really low price. But let me show you everything that you get with it. Now, I did a custom signature here, and you can get them made at Fiverr for maybe $5. But they have a bunch of them that are pre-made. I'm going to show you in just a minute. They're really cool because they're animated, and they just help you to market your business whenever you send out an email, because it could be, I add them to my AWeber follow-up series as well as my broadcasts. And just if you're emailing anybody back and forth, it's not even necessarily business. They're just kind of curious as to what you're doing. Like I have one that says work with me, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and there's a couple other ones, $250 in 72 and $100 a day. But you can change these at any time. So if you want to change your website here, also you could link it to a YouTube video. So if you have a YouTube video about yourself or a testimonial about you, you can link it there. Then they have these mini sites. So it's just like having a little website, and it's hosted by SignaSource. So you could put Google Map if you're a business. You could have this contact me, have your have pictures in here, your logo. This one here you could do like about me page and put your picture in there. So there's a lot of different things you can do with it. You could link it to an email or to a document. And then of course you can change the color, the font, anything in here. You can customize it all. And I wanted to show you that they have all these done for you ones in here. So let's say you are, okay, you can use these here. They have a lot of animated ones you can use. And then let's say you are a chiropractor. So they've got one that's already made for a chiropractor, and then you just put your name and your phone number in there. And these are all animated. So we got website, products, contact us. And let's say, what else? Okay, they've got, if you are in a direct sales company, so, like if you're an Ambit, now I've noticed that these aren't all in here, that the categories, or the companies. This one is, I know, so you can see that people just would be curious, and this rotates here, so it's a great advertisement just at the bottom of each email. So this is rates and plans, start a business about Ambit. I was going to show you, let me see if it's got it works. Yep, it's got that one. And then for some reason, when I click on Unique, I have a friend who does that. It doesn't come up, but I put it in here, and it's got right here. So you can put your picture. It's got Shop Unique, Browse Looks, Become a Presenter. And these are $7 a month and $49 a year. So it's really, really inexpensive. Great way to advertise your business. And also they do have a referral program. So let's see. So if somebody sees your email signature, they can click right here, esigmarketing.com, and that'll take you to a page where you can purchase. And the referral program pays 10%, and it pays up to it pays 4 tiers. So it doesn't seem like much, but it can add up. I've made some pretty decent money. I haven't promoted this in a while, but it's worldwide. You get paid through PayPal twice a month, on the 1st and the 16th of the month. So it's a good referral program as well. And again, it's something that makes you look professional, and you can keep track of the amount of clicks that you get on each button, as well as the total number of clicks. You can see I have 38,000 views on these buttons here. The advanced option shows you your button statistics. They do make a custom design for you as well, if you want to pay for that. I think it was around $100, but I think you could go to Fiverr and get something much cheaper than that. So again, I would highly recommend this if you are doing email marketing. Email signature for business is super important, I think, to look professional, and it's a great way to market as well. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you want to learn more about topics about how to make money online, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you want to get your email signature, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. Also, the first link in the description below this video will be my #1 recommendation for making money online. If you want to check that out as well, you can. And with that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.